Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to renew work permit in Canada online. So let's start with the first step, which is to sign in to your IRCC secure account. So just go to canada.ca and search for IRCC sign in. So you can sign in using a Canadian online bank. So just tap on sign in partner, or you can also sign in with your GC key, username and password. So if you don't have an account yet, you can tap on the register with IRCC to create one, and then you will need it to apply online. Next up is open your IRCC dashboard. So once you're signed in, you can land on your IRCC dashboard, and then you will see your current work permit card showing the expiry date and a renew now link. So below that, you can tap on the red apply to renew button, or you can also start an application to begin a new application. Next step is select work permit, which is inside the Canada. So from the application type list, you can choose work permit, which is inside Canada. This is the option for renewal, extension while you're already in the country. You can also tap continue, and you will be asked some eligibility questions and then taken to the personalized document checklist. Next is fill the forms and upload documents. So complete the IMM 5710 form online, which is the personal details, your name, UCI, date of birth, current permit expiry, employer name, NOC code, and then upload required documents. You can upload your passport, bio page, current work permit, and your proof of employment, which can be LMIA or LMIA exempt offer. And you can also upload your proof of payment and then tap save and continue at the bottom. Lastly is pay the fee and submit. So pay the CAD $255 fee. So the processing is $155 and $100 for open permit holder fee if applicable. So using a credit card, you will get a confirmation screen with your application number. So you have to save it because it's important. As long as you applied before your current permit expired, you can keep your working under implied status until IRCC issues a decision. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!